आपके राइट से दीपिका मैडम। देखना चाहिए। चलिए स्टार्ट। सर क्या और दिस इज फॉर द मीटिंग।
नो चैनल
सर ले रहे लाइक एएनआई। सर क्या कहना चाहेंगे, क्या मोटिव था पूरी मीटिंग का?
ये मीटिंग इसलिए हुई कि कुछ फिल्म सर्टिफिकेशन बोर्ड के बारे में इंडस्ट्री के लोगों में कुछ डर और कुछ गुस्सा था, आने लगा था कि कुछ ज़्यादतियाँ हो रही हैं और ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। वो मिनिस्टर साहब ने अश्योर किया कि नहीं, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं होगी। सर्टिफिकेशन बोर्ड है, ये सेंसर बोर्ड नहीं है, और सर्टिफिकेट के हिसाब से वो फिल्में देखी जाएगी और ऐसा ही होगा। थोड़ा सा वक्त होना चाहिए, क्योंकि जब जल्दबाजी होती है तो वक्त नहीं होता, तो उसके वजह से फिर आगे जाना पड़ता है।
पूरा गुस्सा प्रहलाद जी के लिए था?
नहीं ऐसी।
सर मोटो मीटिंग का क्या था? पूरी मीटिंग का मोटो
भाई मोटो ये है कि इंडस्ट्री को कुछ घबराहट है, कुछ चीज़ों से परेशान है। एक मिनिस्ट्री जो है, मिनिस्टर जो कंसर्न्ड है इस इंडस्ट्री से, सरकार के, उनसे अपनी परेशानियां आप बात कर सके एक ओपन मीटिंग में। ये प्रिंसिपल है।
What are the issues that have been discussed? Some key points.
See, I'll tell you, the principle of it has been discussed. There are a lot of problems. For instance, the fact that if I accept an adult certificate, then they say this word, that shouldn't be there, right? And that's not part of this. This is the Central Board of Film Certification. You can give me an adult certificate. You can't say, don't put this word, that word. So that's discussed. The fact that the promos of the film have to be recensored, even if it's if you have a 90-second song, then if I cut it to a 30-second promo, I've already censored the whole song, or the whole song has been certified. Now why make me go again for a 30-second cut of that? So that's a problem. Then you have to put that no smoking thing. So please put a anti-smoking film at the beginning of the film, at the end of the film. The industry can cooperate, and the bigger actors of the industry will make films which show how smoking is bad for your health, or that it kills. But please don't intrude in the middle. Don't intrude in the film. Right? So that's been discussed. The fact that arbitrarily a lot of people, there are things like a lot of permissions. For example, the animal board welfare. Now, if a stray dog comes into my frame, then I have to prove that I wasn't cruel to that dog, and I have to go take some permission in Chennai. So that's unnecessary harassment. So that, I mean, all those things that sort of intrude. Anybody puts a case on us, right? Films are very vulnerable. Raju Irani is now fighting more than 100 cases all over the country, right? So, I mean, why? Why should the judge admit? But that's a matter, everything, is not a magic wand. He can't solve every problem. I mean, because it has to do with other laws, and it is part of the laws of the land. So, I mean, yeah, but it was discussed in an open way.
Were the producers, really in a fix? Did they call for this meeting, or did it just happen? Was it the
I think
I think
it's I think he himself wanted to meet, and I think it was the association presidents and the industry leaders and them in contact who sort of organized the meeting.
Also, the ban, the ban that was there on cuss words was on hold for a while after the previous meeting had happened.
See, the
Is it
principle,
still
no, there is no ban.
There is no ban.
There is no ban on any cuss word. Let us be clear. That is what is discussed, and that is why it should not be person-centric. The principle of it all is that, and that was discussed. We were not discussing anybody in particular. We are talking about the principle of it all. And that was discussed, and I don't think there is any ban. There is no ban, and that has been removed. I think it's been clarified rather, and that there is no such thing.
जब से प्रहलाद जी आए हैं तब से ही इस तरह के इश्यूज उठे हैं, तो क्या ये मीटिंग उन्हीं को लेकर?
नहीं, और भी इश्यूज हैं
जी
भाई। हर बार सरकार जब बदलती है, मंत्री नए आते हैं, तो इंडस्ट्री मिलती है, ये तो रिवाज रहा है, और आप उन्हीं को बताएंगे आपकी समस्याएं क्या है. It is so, I mean, we are talking about certification and our problems with the CBFC, right? जब राकेश कुमार जी भी आए थे, तो उन्होंने भी एक इंटरव्यू दिया था. He gave an interview to a daily where he said, मेरी पत्नी जो थी उनके साथ मैं एक फिल्म देखने गया तो मुझे कैसा अजीब लगा कि फिल्म कैसी है. आपके पर्सनल जो विचार हैं वो आप रखिए अपने घर में. उस आपको हक है वो विचार रखने का. हम ये नहीं कह रहे हैं, हम कह रहे हैं कि आप हमको उस बेसिस पे सेंसर मत कीजिए, क्योंकि आप सेंसर बोर्ड है नहीं, आप सर्टिफिकेशन बोर्ड है.
Also, there is a lot of dissemination in the CBFC itself. लोग सहमत नहीं है वो जो डिसीजन लिए जा रहे हैं उससे. Does
हाँ,
that
कोई
affect
डिसीजन
them?
नहीं है. There is a discussion. There are no individual can give us, make a general, because this is a constitutional body, right? This is a body which is, you know, it's not person-centric. A person cannot come and change it has to be done then by an act of parliament or something, you know, I mean, because, you know, a person cannot change the job that's entrusted to that organization, right? So, I mean, it's not going to be, it's not going to happen, I think.
थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
So if you could just elaborate a little on that.
So the film industry is one of our very important industries. I mean, they are ambassadors. The films are ambassadors. It's great for the economy, and they also have far-reaching impact on our culture. And we want to make our film industry even more stronger. And to that effect, I was visiting Mumbai on a certain official event, and they were having a meeting, and so I interacted with them. There are certain suggestions which have come up to do with the film certification, to do with certain clearances that the film industry requires time on and again. So these are the kind of things that we will work through other ministries to make things easier for the film industry.
Within the CBFC, there has been a lot of problems happening after Mr. Nilani was appointed. Do you see somewhere down the line the problems could get solved after this meeting has taken place?
It's an ongoing process. I'm sure things will get better. The government is very clear. The government wants the scenes, the dialogues used, the words used in the context of the film, in the context of the script. And I'm sure the Film Certification Board, which is there, will look at it with that point of view as well.
Mr. राठौड़, काफ़ी समय से बात चल रही है. मिस्टर प्रहलाद नीलानी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के ही है. क्या आज सब लोगों काफ़ी उनके मतलब लोगों के मन में उनके लिए दुर्भावना आ गई जो इन सब कुछ. क्या ऐसी बात आई है कि प्रहलाद नीलानी को डिस्प्लेस किया जाए और किसी और को उनकी जगह लाया जाए?
The discussion was on issues, on ideas and suggestions. And the film industry and the members who were here came up with wonderful suggestions which we're going to take it forward. It was not on individuals.
Please elaborate on the suggestions.
It took us 1.5 hours, 2 hours there. We're not going to discuss the suggestions, but
I would like to intervene here and say that we had one of the most fruitful interactions with the ministry in recent years, and I would applaud the Honorable Minister, to take out his precious time and interact with us and give us that assurance. So we are creative people. We were feeling very vulnerable, we were feeling very restless, we were feeling very insecure. And he came, took out his time, and he understood that we are facing problems, we were feeling vulnerable, and it was very nice of him to come and give us a feeling of reassurance that we are on the same page. And now we have decided that we will be meeting more often as part of one family and interact more regularly, so that issues as and when they come, we address them, and how collectively we can take things forward. Because the goal is simple. We have to take Indian cinema, as we are the soft power of the nation, to the global level. And we can only take it with the support of the government. And fortunately, we have a young, dynamic minister like Mr. Rathod. I feel that the Subha is now, the dawn is breaking.
And the government is absolutely with you. So
Thank you so much. Thank you.
मिस्टर राठौर जो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री इस समय काफी हम लोग जो देख रहे हैं काफी टेरराइज लगती है, हमें लगता है कि काफी टेरर
we've already answered that.
No, haven't asked her.
Are getting better. Could you please?
Sorry?
You said things are getting better. That was one of your first statements you just made. Could you please tell us what the areas of improvement are? That would also be the areas of suggestion, perhaps. You know, I mean, suggestions might be different, but what personally do you think, or what does the government think?
It's a collective effort wherein the members of the film fraternity also understood that they need to bring the films to the certification board in time, so that the entire process of film certification is made to favor the films. No one individual can affect the certification of a film. So is the process. There is an examining committee, then there's a review committee, and even if the reviewing committee rejects it, then there's a FCAT, which is the tribunal, which is headed by a retired justice. So things are made in such a manner that no one person can hijack the system. My presence here and their ideas together, and we will keep interacting on perhaps a single window clearance as well in times ahead, wherein the film shooting becomes easier with the permissions that are required from the center government and the state government. Various issues. It's always an ongoing process to make things better, for them to make us understand and for us to understand them better.
Sir, does the rating system change?
Yeah.
Or does it remain the same? The way it was set 12 plus 15 plus?
See, there's no specific change as such, but we are getting more clearer about how we should be conducting our ways of functioning. What was important, most important thing was that when we talk about an adult certificate, we talk about certification. It's a certification board. It's not a censor board. The word censor is a redundant word in today's times, which he completely agreed, the minister completely agreed. He said that we are here. In fact, he was very rightfully, he suggested a very nice thing. He said that instead of certification, because that C word creates a confusion between certification and censor, so change it to rating. I felt that was a very good idea. So that's what he said. I'll look at changing it to call it a film rating board, which is a very good sign. So I feel.
काफी समय से जैसे आप कहा जा रहा था कि जो CBFC का जो चेयरमैन होना चाहिए फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का होना चाहिए, प्रहलाद निनालय जी भी आ गए, वो भी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के थे, उसके बावजूद भी सारी चीजें हैं और असंतोष है सारे।
देखिए, हम आपको बाकी डिटेल जो अंदर बात हुई हम आपको सब बता नहीं सकते हैं, बिकॉज दे वर डिस्कस इन सर्टेन प्रिवेसी, बट हमने बहुत फ्रूटफुल बात की, उन्होंने हमारी समस्याओं को समझा, उनको महसूस किया, एंड आई थिंक सो नाउ वी आर डेफिनेटली इन अ क्लियरर position of what is the way forward. Now, it's a relief. There you can see relief on my face, because I, as the president of the Film Producers Guild, was facing umpteen calls by the day, by the night from my members, and now I can communicate to them that we have a minister who is very cooperative, very understanding, ready to listen to our problems, and ready to sit with us, across us, and see how we can take things in a better way forward. So there's a positive attitude. There's no negativity in the way he has come forward. So I feel I'm a positive person. I'm looking at it. He spent more than 2 hours, and he heard every person very patiently. So I don't see anything why there should not be a positive movement now. It was all the regular filmmakers, the producers, the actors, the directors, the writers, They're all there who are connected with the business. There was the National Treasurer, our pride, Gulzar Saab was there, the senior man. Then actors like Shabana Azmi, Amir Khan, then Deepika Padukone, all of them were there. Vidya Balan.
Irrespective of whether the minister had joined you, or was it just a coincidence that he happened to be here?
No, we were supposed to be meeting the CBFC chairman and discuss certain issues. Fortunately, the minister was in town, so he took the liberty of coming in and saying that might as well let me go and meet the fraternity, which I felt is a very good gesture, and I applaud that gesture of his. And that became into a very fruitful and a very constructive meeting between the ministry and the industry. अब ज़रूरत नहीं है ना, हमने मिनिस्टर से बात कर ली, हमने सीईओ से बात कर ली, जो सीबीएफसी के सीईओ है वो भी थे, तो आई डोंट थिंक सो देयर एनी रीजन टू टॉक एनीथिंग फर्दर. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू. थैंक यू.
आमिर प्लीज
एक साथ में फोटो. अनुष्का
साथ में
हाँ
आपके राइट से सर पीछे रवि रवि पीछे सब आपके राइट में सर. अनुष्का दीपिका
मेरे को सुनाई नहीं दे रहा. मुद्दे कई उठाए गए, जो चीज़ें हम लोगों को कंसर्न कर रही थी, और मिनिस्टर साहब ने बड़े ध्यान से सुना, और जो जिस तरह से, जिस अंदाज से उन्होंने हमारी बातें समझी और रिसीव की, तो आई थिंक द इंटायर इंडस्ट्री इज़ वेरी होपफुल एंड वी आर वेरी हैप्पी विद द काइंड ऑफ रिस्पॉन्स ही गेव अस. तो जितने हमारे कंसर्न्स थे, ख़ास तौर से सर्टिफिकेशन को लेकर, और उन्होंने हमें अश्योर किया है कि वो सारे जो चीज़ें हैं उन पे ध्यान देंगे और उन पे सही जो कुछ उनको लगता है वो कदम उठाएंगे. और जिस तरह से उन्होंने हमारे क्वेश्चंस को आंसर किए, जिस तरह से उन्होंने हमारे कंसर्न्स को एड्रेस किया, तो हमें बड़ा अच्छा लगा कि वो बहुत ही रिस्पॉन्सिव तरीके से पेश आ रहे हैं हमारे साथ. जी हाँ. आई थिंक मिनिस्टर साहब ने खुद ये बात हमें बताई है कि वो सेंसर बोर्ड है ही नहीं, वो सर्टिफिकेशन बोर्ड है. वो खुद इस बात से सहमत हैं, वो खुद इस बात के जानकार हैं, और बल्कि वो तो कह रहे थे कि हमें इसका नाम भी बदलना है, क्योंकि वो जब सी फॉर सर्टिफिकेशन आता है, लोग उसको सी फॉर सेंसर कभी कभी माइंड में कंफ्यूज कर देते हैं. तो उन्होंने कहा कि हम तो ये भी सोच रहे हैं कि हम इसको नाम ही इसका बदल दें, रेटिंग सिस्टम बोलें इंस्टेड ऑफ सर्टिफिकेशन.
आमिर, पिछले दिनों से जो प्रहलाद निलानी जब से आए, उसके बाद जो सारी घटनाएं घट रही, उससे उन्होंने वो भी आपको अफेक्ट किया उस चीज़ से?
देखिए, किसी एक व्यक्ति के प्रति ना हम बात करते हैं और ना मंत्री जी बात करते हैं. किसी एक व्यक्ति का इसमें कोई कंसर्न नहीं है. जो सिस्टम है उसको सही तरीके से काम करना चाहिए, फिर उसमें व्यक्ति कोई भी हो, आप हो, मैं हूँ, कोई भी रहे. और यही नज़रिया मिनिस्टर साहब का भी है, हमारा भी यही नज़रिया है कि व्यक्ति से इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, इम्पोर्टेंट ये है कि सिस्टम सही तरीके से काम करे. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
अनुष्का करण अरे आपके लेफ्ट से देखिए, अमीर सर भी लेते हैं. अमीर सर कहाँ पे?
चलो दादा, ओके, थैंक यू.
अनुष्का कुछ कहना चाहेंगे प्लीज? देखिए,
I think Amir has spoken. We all agree, all same agreement.
फिर भी दो वर्ड्स की जो understand was all थैंक यू सर. मुकेश जी, आज के इतने बिजी रहते हो, मूव में टाइम ठीक है, हिला रखा है पूरे सब लोगों को आपने. बाहर नहीं हो पाएगा, बाहर नहीं. सुनो सुनो सुनो।